Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a code snippet with your VS Code. So assuming I have this tiny function here, hello, assuming I have this tiny function here, and I want to make it a code snippet, I have to install an extension called CodeSnap. So head over to your extensions tab. This is the extension here. So all you have to do is just to search for it. Yeah. So this one is the extension, and I have it installed already. So search for this extension CodeSnap. Once you've searched for it, install it and go back to your code. This is my code. So I want to make this whole code a snippet. So what I have to do is just to highlight it. After highlighting it, right click, scroll down and select CodeSnap. Once you click on it, you might need to highlight it again so that the code will display. So this is it. This is it. It is as easy as that. So this is how you create a code snippet in VS Code using an extension called CodeSnap. So once you're done, click on this shutter icon to save it to your system. So you select a place, a location to save it. HP. So it's saved. If I go to the directory where I saved it, I will be able to see the snippet. It's coming up, it's coming up. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. So that's how you create a snippet in VS Code using an extension called CodeSnap.